Hey there, Leslie here. Well, here's a question for you. What are your current expectations for the paralegal career for you? And I'm going to talk about two areas. One is salary, and I want you to not bank on what salary.com is saying about paralegal salaries as that's for beginners. That's a beginner's salary. It is not. And when you research on Google and you put in what is the average salary for a paralegal, that's not correct. It really has to be broken down into what beginners get, and it's so diverse. And if you're in LA or San Francisco and New York, your starting salary will undoubtedly be higher, but not close to that, because of the standard of living, and they have to pay higher in those areas to attract people. But increasing your pay is solely dependent on this. When you're starting out, what do you know how to do to help the attorney? So when I tell you to go get the playbook on my website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, look under the Paralegal Resource Hub tab and download that playbook, totally free. But on one of the pages, it teaches you how to research paralegal duties. Now, not only research them, but learn how to perform them. Not all of them, but a few of them. And then you have to communicate to the attorney in the cover letter and in the interview. I know how to perform these specific duties. You took the initiative to do this. It's so spectacular when you do that. Be a spectacular paralegal. Be an incredible learner, okay? And take your career into your own hands. Now, when it comes down to training and your expectation that you're going to go into your workplace and they're going to put you in a conference room and train you for a few hours a day, they don't do that. That's unrealistic. They don't have time. They're working on cases, working on behalf of clients. You're not the client. They want you to sit down and start working. Even if they say this in the ad, it doesn't happen. So be realistic. I'm going to tell you what the truth is about this. And it's very rare for there to be training, and it might last a couple weeks, and it's another paralegal helping you. They don't have all the time in the world. Take it upon yourself. Take the initiative to learn as much as you can before you start putting your resume and cover letter out there. And join us in the Paralegal Inner Circle class and the Cover Letter Secrets class. Go to my website, look under the Courses tab as well as the Paralegal Inner Circle class tab, and join us before the class closes.